Hey everyone, before you spend a penny on either of these, watch this comparison because the real value only becomes clear right at the end. When choosing a flexible productivity platform, pricing often becomes one of the biggest deciding factors, so let's start there. Zenkit positions itself as an all-in-one online workspace with tiered pricing that scales as your features grow. Its free plan already unlocks a surprisingly functional set of tools, suitable for beginners or small personal projects. But most users seriously considering Zenkit usually compare the Plus, Business, and Enterprise plans. The Plus plan offers expanded storage, more collaboration features, and custom fields, making it ideal for growing teams that need structure without the cost becoming overwhelming. The Business plan goes a step further with advanced permissions, automation, integrations, and deeper administrative controls. Meanwhile, enterprise pricing is custom quoted and designed for departments needing compliance, onboarding support, private hosting, or large-scale deployment. In most cases, Zenkit's mid-tier pricing tends to sit competitively in the market, costing less than many established project management tools, while still providing a wide set of features. Now, moving into Zenkit's features, this platform stands out because of its modular architecture. You can switch views instantly: Kanban, list, table, calendar, mind map, or even Gantt-style timeline, allowing teams to choose the structure that works best for their workflow. It supports hierarchical workspaces, letting you organize data across collections that feel more like interconnected databases than simple task lists. Zenkit also integrates well with Zapier, Slack, and thousands of external apps, giving users extended automation and data synchronization options. Custom fields allow deep personalization of any workflow, whether you want to track deadlines, budget, priority, progress stages, or more. Collaboration is also an important part of Zenkit. Real-time updates, activity logs, comments, attachments, reminders, and shared workspaces give teams complete visibility. With offline mode, mobile apps, and cross-device syncing, Zenkit caters to hybrid teams who need access anywhere. But just like any platform, Zenkit comes with pros and cons. On the positive side, it's extremely flexible, making it suitable for personal to-do lists, project management, CRM setups, or lightweight databases. The user interface feels intuitive and modern, lowering the learning curve for new users. Multiple viewing modes make data visualization easy, while advanced options like mind mapping set Zenkit apart from many competitors. Its pricing also tends to be more affordable compared to established giants. However, the cons often surface for users with very complex workflows. Zenkit may not offer automations as advanced as some enterprise-only tools. Its database capabilities, while flexible, may not be as deep as full relational database systems. Some users note that large datasets might cause slower loading times depending on device conditions. Integrations are available, but power users sometimes find themselves wanting more native, built-in connectors rather than relying heavily on third-party services. Nonetheless, many users consider Zenkit a balanced, user-friendly solution for individuals and mid-sized teams. Now let's move into Airtable, often considered a light alternative when comparing database-style platforms. Airtable is known for blending spreadsheets and databases effortlessly, giving users a visually clean, highly customizable environment. Its features center around bases, tables, fields, and views that adapt to nearly any data structure. You can create a base for content planning, CRM pipelines, inventory management, event tracking, product catalogs, and much more. Airtable's ability to link records across tables gives it relational power in a way traditional spreadsheet tools can't match. Views such as grid, calendar, Kanban, timeline, form, and gallery provide multiple ways to visualize the same dataset. Automations allow users to trigger actions based on conditions, send notifications, create records, update data, or integrate with external platforms. Users can also take advantage of Airtable apps, which offer charts, pivot tables, scripting, and advanced visualizations to enhance workflows. Collaboration is strong, with commenting, permissions, user roles, and revision history built in. Airtable's interface remains one of the most polished, making even complex datasets feel approachable. It also provides powerful API access for developers who want to connect Airtable with their existing ecosystem. But what about Airtable's pros and cons? Starting with the positives, Airtable remains one of the most intuitive platforms for users who need database power without learning SQL or back-end systems. Its drag-and-drop structure, rich field types, and customizable views make it ideal for content creators, small teams, agencies, and data-driven departments. The relational linking feature is one of its strongest assets, allowing users to build interconnected systems that remain simple to navigate. Automations add efficiency, while extensions and API tools boost customization. However, Airtable also has drawbacks. Pricing can become expensive quickly if you need expanded storage, advanced automations, or multiple workspaces for your organization. Large bases may experience performance limitations, especially when handling thousands of records. Some advanced features, such as granular permissions or stronger enterprise-grade security options, are locked behind higher tiers. And while Airtable is powerful, users managing highly technical workflows may eventually outgrow it and shift to a full database or specialized project management system. As for ratings, available information may vary depending on which review platform you check, and official ratings can change over time. Generally, both Zenkit and Airtable receive strong reviews for usability, flexibility, and design. Zenkit is often praised for ease of use and affordability, while Airtable is celebrated for innovation and data structuring. Because official scores may shift, viewers are encouraged to check current ratings on trusted platforms such as G2, Capterra, or Trustpilot for the most updated comparisons. Bringing everything together, choosing between Zenkit and Airtable depends on whether you prefer a versatile project management style, interface, or a database-first system. Zenkit excels in modularity, multi-view functionality, and affordability, making it ideal for project-focused teams. Airtable shines in data structuring, relational setups, and visual customization for users who need more database-like control. Think about your workflow. Do you manage tasks, pipelines, and projects? Or do you manage datasets, categories, and rich information structures? Each tool has strengths worth considering. If you want more content like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. And if you need more tool comparisons, templates, or walkthroughs, drop a comment below with the software you'd like me to review next.